Right, there's I'm going to open it up now. So there's this little arrow here. Let's just open it. Right, what's in the box? Is the mouse, the keyboard, then you've got the USB and there's a quick start guide. And a little lid cloth. I'm supposed to power it on. There's a switch there. It's the one you turn on. And that's the power cable goes there. It's the first time it's being turned on, so it's taking a few seconds to load up. Okay, so it's asking me to turn on the mouse. So this is the mouse. So just switch it on. There we go. Right, so this is the keyboard. It's here now. There we are. If I click next, and it's asking me for language. So we use English for the language.
To use English for the main language, press the return key.
It's the first time this is being set. United Kingdom, and click continue. And British keyboard layout. It's asking me to select my Wi-Fi. And then terms and conditions. Oh, sorry, got agree. Then ask you to put in your computer account. Then the diagnostic usage. Okay, we're in.